Everyone, we're in my garage office, and the reason I'm sharing this with you is because this is kind of like my pathetic lab table, and this is not going to work. So some of you remember in a video I posted recently, I mentioned that I moved into an apartment. So because I moved into an apartment, this big white wall here is very pretty, but I can't be mounting network equipment on it. I can't put racks on the wall or make holes in the wall. So I'm going to fall back on a solution that I learned about back in the 90s when I was doing a lot of Borders books installations. I'll show you that in just a second. Ta-da! Here's the solution. That's right. Wire shelving or a bread rack. And what makes it even better? Casters or wheels. So this is a really cool solution, which I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all set up and how absolutely genius it is if you need to manage a temporary network location or if you need to stand something up really fast. And here you go. So I've got the shelves all put together and I put a bunch of stuff on there. Now it doesn't look really that great right now. I'm kind of just getting started, but you can see the point that I was trying to make about how it gives you this really flexible solution. So you can put any number of things on any given shelf. You can adjust the shelves up and down depending on your needs. And I certainly do not have the shelves exactly where I want them to be yet. But like at the top, I've got my switching equipment. Some of that's really just for my Cisco lab work. I've got my PBX there. And on the very, very top, I've got my cradle points, my routers, my cradle point routers. And then the middle, usually about where you have, elbow height is where you're going to put, like if you've got some kind of a terminal, like I've got that laptop there to use as a console for the routers. Then I've got some phones down below that I use for some voice over IP lab work. Anyway, so that's my solution if you need a temporary network location and you don't want to mount anything on the walls. And and one last point, the casters, the wheels. So that's what really made this work great. I mean, you can do it without the wheels, but the wheels give me the ability to take and turn this, like I've got a 45-degree angle now, but I can take and turn it and put it flat against the wall to save space, and I can move it around as needed to work on either the front or the back. Okay, thanks so much for watching.